Hello, let me show you how to solve this problem so you no longer have troubles with logarithm. So for this one, we're going to divide by 2 first. So I'm just going to do it here. So I want to get rid of this 2. So now I would have log to base x of 1 minus root x over root x equal to 0. Now if you know your log and indices rules, you'll know that you can change logarithm to indices. To do that, you have, let's say you have something like, let's call this C and I call this B, right? C is the base of the logarithm. So I can keep this A here and take this base and raise it to this. So C from the base of log becomes the base of this number. So B is the index. I'm going to apply this to this right here. So I'm going to keep this on the left side, 1 minus root x over root x equal to, I'm going to take x as the base and raise it to power 0. Okay, so this will give me 1 minus root x equal to, now x raised to power 0 is 1, so I have equal to 1 here. Here we can cross multiply, so cross multiplying, I'd have 1 minus root x equal to root x. So all you need to do is move root x to this side. So now you have root x plus root x. Root x plus root x will give you 2 root x. So divide both sides by 2, you have 1 over 2 equal to root x. So root x is equal to 1 over 2. Now we need to get rid of this root because we're trying to look for x. To get rid of the root, we'll square both sides. The square here cancels the square root, while 1 squared is 1 and 2 squared is 4. So the value of x is 1 over 4.